In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert from one unit to another. So in number 1, we want to convert 132 inches to feet. So first you'll have to know how many inches are in a foot. So there are 12 inches in 1 foot. So we're going to use that information to our advantage. So first of all, we're going to write down whatever we are converting. We're going to write down the number and the unit, and we write it over 1. And then what we're going to do is we're going to multiply so that the inches will cancel out. So we're going to multiply by another fraction where inches is on the bottom, and we're going to put feet on the top. And we're going to use our measurement that we know. 1 foot is equal to 12 inches. And if we multiply in that way, these units cancel and it will leave feet, which is exactly what we want. We want to know how many feet there are in 132 inches. And so this is going to tell you what you need to do. If you multiply straight across, you will see that you have 132 feet over 12. That shows you that you need to divide. So 132 divided by 12, and you get 11. So 11 feet. Let's look at the next one. So in the next one, we're going to convert from yards to inches. Now here's the problem. I don't know how many inches are in a yard. So I have to do something else. I know there are 3 feet in 1 yard. And then I know that there are 12 inches in 1 foot. And so that gives me yards to feet and feet to inches. And so that's what I am going to have to do here. I'm going to have to do more than one fraction. So you always start off by writing down what you're trying to convert over 1. And then you're going to make another fraction. You know you want yards to be on the bottom because that's what you want to cancel out. And the only conversion I know is yards to feet. So that's what I'm going to use as my first fraction. It's going to be 3 feet is equal to 1 yard. So that's going to make up a fraction. And again, notice my yards cancel out. Okay, so now I'm going to have to use another fraction because now this is going to convert to feet. But I need to go further. I need to go to inches. So let me move this. 12 inches is 1 foot. I'm going to write that over here. 12 inches equals 1 foot. So now I want to change from feet to inches. So feet to inches. And so I know that there is 1 foot in 12 inches, and now my feet cancel out. So I'm left with just inches, which is exactly where I want to be. So if I multiply straight across, 36 times 3 times 12 is equal to 1296. And on the bottom I have 1 times 1 times 1, so it's just going to be 1296 inches. Okay, let's look at the next one. We have 5 hours to blank seconds. So try to think about some conversions you know. You may not know how many seconds are in an hour, but you can convert hours probably to minutes, right? Do you know that there are 60 minutes in 1 hour? Okay, and then you can convert minutes to seconds. In 1 minute, there are 60 seconds. So hours to minutes, minutes to seconds, and you will be where you want to be. So start by writing what you're trying to convert as a fraction over 1. And then you know you can convert hours to minutes and minutes to seconds. So there are 60 minutes in 1 hour and 60 seconds in 1 minute. And you will see your hours cancel out, your minutes cancel out, and you're just left with seconds. The denominator is 1 times 1 times 1, so that's just going to be a 1. And so now you just have to multiply 5 times 60 times 60, and you get 18,000 seconds. All right, the last one, we have hours to days. So I'm trying to convert hours. So I'm going to put that over 1. I know that there are 24 hours in one day. And that one conversion is going to help me get where I want. So hours cancels out. I'm going to have 108 divided by 24. And that's going to give me 4.5 days.